In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage folders in Wrike. We'll walk through how to create a new folder and then organize your projects by dragging them into it. By the end, you'll have a simple structure that makes it much easier to find and manage your work. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you can see your projects list on the left-hand side. Look for the section where your projects are displayed. Near that area, you'll see a small plus sign next to the projects section. This plus sign is what you'll use whenever you want to add something new, like a project or a folder. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, Wrike will show you a small menu with different options. From this menu, choose the option labeled Folder. This tells Wrike that instead of creating a new project, you want to create a container that will hold and organize existing projects. Once you've clicked on Folder, a small window or field will appear asking you to enter a folder name. Take a moment to think about what this folder will contain and choose a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might name it by client, department, quarter, or type of work, such as Marketing Campaigns Q2 or Internal Projects. A good naming convention now will save you a lot of time later when your workspace grows. Type your chosen name into the folder name field. Double check your spelling and make sure it's something your team will easily understand. When you're happy with the name, look for the button labeled Create and click on it. This confirms your choice and adds the new folder to your project list. You should now see your new folder in the navigation panel, alongside your existing projects. The next step is to organize your projects by placing them inside this folder. To do this, find a project you want to move. Click and hold on the project name, then drag it over to your new folder. When the folder is highlighted, release your mouse button to drop the project into it. Repeat this drag and drop process for any other projects that belong in the same category. As you move more projects into the folder, you'll start to see a cleaner, more organized structure, making it easier to focus on what matters most. And that's all there is to it. You've created a folder,